Okay guys, so alright, so we're gonna now move on to the recreating this exact diagram. I've just zoomed it up a bit. Alright, so we're gonna attempt to create this now in Packet Tracer. Alright, so let's go. Just to point out, we have one error. Well, the error is that I need to change this IP for the first router, the network A, to the last usable address, which is 30 for this network. Right, so that's an error on my part. So yeah. Right, so we're going to place our router. We're going to place four switches around our router. Right, so I'm going to move from this side, trying to get some order. Move from the right to left. Alright, switches. I'm going to put in my end devices. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, add some connections. Well, before we add the connections, I just need to power down this router because it doesn't have enough fast Ethernet ports. Let me just double check. Yes, it's fast Ethernet it's connected with, so I just need a few more fast Ethernet ports. So power down the router, and we're going to remove these modules and input fast Ethernet imports modules. So 1, 2, so we are 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good, and we're going to power back up this router now, and that's it. As we hear one time, router is powering up, booting up. So I'm just going to start configure this router with the settings that I just did. Alright, enable privilege mode, conf T, configuration terminal, global executive mode. I'm going to rename the router to R1. Alright, and we're going to pull up the first interface, which is F0/0. So let me just double check that. Yeah, I think it's that. Yes, it accepted it. IP address 192.168.5. What is for router? Alright, so these are all the ports F1, 104, and 5. So this will be 30. IP address 30. The subnet mask of 255.255.255.40. Alright, no shut, which is short for no shutdown. Excellent. Alright, next interface is 1/0. This would be for network B. IP address 192.168.5.46, 255.255.255.240. No shots. Alright, excellent. Next interface F4/0. Excellent. IP address 192.168.5.62, 255.255.240. Alright, no shots. Alright, and the final interface is F5. IP address 192.168.5.78, 255.255.240. No shut down. Excellent. Alright, so just before we exit the interface, we're gonna enable the RIP protocol, routing protocol, version 2, network, and give it a 192.168.5.0 network. Exit, and we're gonna save this now, copy, run, start. Excellent. Save. So our router is configured. That should be it. We could now, let me just add some labels onto this. This is network E, network B, network C, and finally network D. Alright, so that would take care of our label. And just add our cables. Is from 0, switch from 1, excellent, and from 4 to C, and this is 5 to, alright, so add our end devices now. Everything is connected to the switch via facets, and it doesn't matter which port we use for the switch. I'm just trying to do it in order. Alright, we still have to configure our end devices, each individual PC, just to ensure that we have excellent. Excellent. Alright, just about finished. Right, so we still won't have any connectivity because none of our devices are connected, programmed with IP. So we're gonna do PCs would be this first. Alright, copy paste. We're gonna start on 18, subnet master 240, and the default router for this network is 30. This was the router's network. Excellent. That's 1. This would be 19. And 240. This would be 130 IP address. Final one. This would be 20. 240. And default would be 30. Excellent. So this network is configured. We're gonna go from here now. Alright, so network B. This would start from 33. 240. Default network is 46. So for the purpose of this, we're not going to configure any DNS server. 2324. Default gateway, let's see, router, it was 46 right here. 46. The last one will be 35 with a default gateway of 46. Alright, this network is configured. What is this? This is from 49 to 51 with a default gateway of 62. Alright, excellent. Two. Alright, nice. Excellent. We're almost there. 50. 62. 51. 62. Right, and this is our final network now will be from 65 and the default gateway is 78. Alright. So 78. 66, 240, 78, and the last PC, which we will do now, we have 67, and the subnet mask 78 as the default gateway. Oh, great! So this is, we have configured the entire network now. Everything is supposed to be up. And our final test, let me double check. 1, 2, 3. It looks very similar to what was asked, and we just do a final test. So we're going to send one packet from PC4 to PC10, which is from network B to network D. Let's see if it so the first should fail, and with RIP, if I have programmed it correctly, the second one, the router should now know the exact path. So we're going to do from PC4 to PC10, and it is successful. So there you have it, guys. Let's try it again. Let's try from 10 to 4, and it is successful. We have successfully recreated this network as asked, and given all the conditions, we can now add 11 more subnets to that. We've assigned the PCs to the lowest address, routers get the highest address, and we have built this network successfully on Packet Tracer. So thank you so much. As in IT, you can always do one thing in many ways. So if you know another way that in which this can be done, do let me know. And thank you for watching. Bye.